How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you?
I am in class.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you ride bike?
No, I don't ride bike.
Do you go to garden?
Yes, I go to garden.
Do you play in garden?
Yes, I play in
Do you
garden.
have brothers, sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Okay, only one sister. Don't you have brother?
No.
Okay. Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home.
Do you go for exercise?
Yes, I go for exercise.
Do you play outside?
Yes, I play.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand it.
Do you face any problem in speaking English?
No, I don't face any
Do you
problem.
understand everything?
Yes, I understand
Do
everything.
you understand grammar?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so you understand.
Yes.
So now if I ask you any question regarding tenses, modals and whatever we have learned, will you be able to answer
Yes.
those questions?
Yes, I will able to answer this question.
Okay, so now I am going to ask you some questions. I will be speaking in Marathi, you will be speaking in English. Okay,
Okay, I
So-
will speak.
मला जाऊ द्या,
Let me go.
मला बोलू द्या,
Let me speak.
तिला येऊ द्या,
Let her come.
लेट
Her come.
हर कम, त्यांना जेवू द्या,
Let them eat.
लेट दे मीट, मी आनंदी आहे,
I am happy.
तो नाराज आहे,
He is
सॅड,
sad. He is sad.
तो रडत आहे,
He is crying.
तो मजा करत आहे,
He is enjoying.
तो मुंबईला निघाला आहे,
He is going to Mumbai.
ती जेवत होती,
He was eating.
मी जेवलेलो आहे,
I have eaten.
तो जेवला नाही,
He did not eat.
मी अभ्यास नाही केला,
I did not study.
ती शाळेला नाही गेली,
She did not go to school.
तू शाळेला जातो का,
Do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास करतो का,
Do you study?
ती जेवत नाही,
She doesn't eat.
तो जेवतो का,
Does he eat?
तो शाळेला गेला का,
Does he go to school?
ते घरी आले का,
Did he come? Did they come?
डिड दे कम, मी खोटं बोलत नाही,
I don't lie.
मला इंग्लिश येतं,
I can speak English.
मी बोलू शकतो,
I can speak.
तो पळू शकतो,
He can run.
तू खोटं बोललं नाही पाहिजे,
You should not lie.
तू खरं बोललं पाहिजे,
You should speak truth.
तू अभ्यास केलाच पाहिजे,
You should study. You must study.
मला काम करावं लागतं,
I have to work.
तिला जेवण बनवावं लागतं,
She has to cook.
मला शाळेला जावं लागतं,
I have to go school.
मी चालत शाळेला जातो,
I go to school by walking.
ऑन फूट बोलायचं. ठीक आहे,
On foot.
आज सोमवार नाही,
Today is not Monday.
उद्या संडे आहे,
Tomorrow is Sunday.
मी काल अभ्यास केला.
I studied yesterday.
ओके, सो प्रतीक, हू इज नेक्स्ट, सो यू कॅन गो नाव. विघ्नेश कम, डोंट मेक नॉइस, ए डोंट स्टेप हियर, ओके, देन डोंट स्टेप हियर, ओके ना. सो विघ्नेश, हाउ आर यू,
I am fine.
वेयर डू यू लिव,
I live in Gansoli.
हाउ ओल्ड आर यू,
I am 13 years old.
डू यू हैव ब्रदर,
I don't have a brother.
डू यू हैव सिस्टर,
Yes, I have a sister.
डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश विथ हर,
No,
okay, so in which standard you are now,
I am in 8th standard.
you are in 8th standard. So do you understand English,
Yes, I understand English.
do you understand all the grammar now,
Yes.
okay, so I am now going to ask you some questions. Okay, I will be speaking Marathi, you will have to tell the answer in English only.
Yes.
Okay, मी शाळेला जातो,
I go to school.
मी शाळेला जात आहे.
I am going to school.
ती शाळेला गेलेली आहे.
He
ती शाळेला गेलेली आहे.
has gone to school.
शी हॅज गॉन टू स्कूल. ओके. मी जेवलो.
I ate.
ती जेवली नाही.
He didn't eat. She
शी डिडंट ईट. ती शाळेला गेली नाही.
didn't go to school.
तू शाळेला जातो का?
Do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास करतो का?
Do you study?
तू बोलतो का?
Do you talk?
तू बोलू शकतो का?
Can you talk?
कॅन यू टॉक? तुला समजतं का?
Do you understand?
तुला समजत नाही का?
You don't understand?
डोंट यू अंडरस्टँड? तू कसा चालतो?
How do you walk?
हाऊ डू यू?
Walk.
ती कसं चालते?
How does he walk?
तो कोण आहे?
Who is he?
तो कुठे जात आहे?
Where is he going?
तू काय करत आहेस?
Where are you doing?
तू काय करत आहेस?
Where are you doing?
व्हॉट आर यू डुईंग?
What are you?
तू कसा आहेस?
How are you?
तू अभ्यास केला का?
Did you study?
तो कुठे गेला?
Where is?
कॅमेऱ्यात बघा तिकडे. तो कुठे गेला?
Where is he go?
वेअर डिड ही गो?
Where did he go?
तो शाळेला जातो का?
Does he go to school?
मी कुठे आहे?
Where am I?
मी कसा आहे?
Where? How am I?
हाऊ एम आय? मी खोटं बोलत नाही.
I don't lie.
मी शिवी नाही देत.
I don't abuse. I don't abuse.
आय डोंट अब्यूज. मला आईस्क्रीम आवडते.
I like ice cream.
मला फ्रूट्स नाहीत आवडत.
I don't like fruits.
ओके. सो थँक यू विघ्नेश. गुड ट्राय. नाव ही हॅज इम्प्रूव्ड हिमसेल्फ. So come closer now. Speak louder, okay? Everybody keep quiet, okay? Just pay attention what I am asking him or her, okay? And just pay attention to these questions because I am going to repeat these questions only, okay? So now Rutvik and Vignesh has answered very well, so you will have to just copy them, okay? What they are saying, how they are saying, just you copy them and you can answer, okay? It's now improved. So Sanjana, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Where are you?
I am in class.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling better now.
Okay, so can you face camera now?
Yes, I feel.
You are feeling comfortable now?
Yes, I am feeling okay.
Okay, so do you face any problem in talking?
No.
So do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
You understand all the grammar?
Yes, I understand.
Do you face any problem in identifying the grammar?
No, I.
You don't face any difficulty. So it's very easy.
Yes, it's.
What do you think? Can anyone speak English very easily? What do you think? Yes, everybody can speak if you want to say like this. Okay. So if you understand, then everybody can understand.
Yes.
So many students in our class are speaking English. Okay. So they are not facing any issues. You also understood that. Okay. So I have taught you few lessons. Okay. Not so many lessons, but no. Now you are able to speak with me. Now you understand each and every grammar. Okay. What is subject, object, verb. Okay. And whatever the grammar we have learned so far, now out of these grammars we are talking in English. We are not learning all the grammars, but despite not having learned all the grammar, you are able to speak with me. So it's very easy if you want to speak or if you want to learn. Okay. So now I am going to say some sentences in Hindi. Are you ready for these sentences?
Yes.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
I am going.
मैं आ रही हूँ.
I am coming.
वो नहीं जा रहा है.
He is not going.
He is not going. वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है,
He is studying.
मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ,
I study.
मैं मदद करती हूँ,
I help.
मैं मदद नहीं करती,
I don't help.
वो मेरा नहीं सुनता,
He doesn't listen me.
ही डजंट लिसन मी, मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ,
I talk in English.
मुझे इंग्लिश आता है,
I know English.
आई नो इंग्लिश, मैं स्टोरी बताने वाली हूँ,
I am going to tell a story.
मैं केक बनाने वाली हूँ,
I'm making cake.
आई एम गोइंग टू मेक केक। तुम कहाँ हो,
You eat.
तुम कहाँ हो,
Where are you?
तुम कहाँ थे,
Where was you?
तुम कहाँ होंगे, फ्यूचर टेंस, आप कहाँ होंगे,
Where will you?
वेयर विल बी यू, मैं वही था,
I was there.
आई वॉज देयर, आज सैटरडे ही है,
Today is Saturday.
यू आर मिसिंग वन वर्ड, ओके, व्हाट वॉज दैट, कल संडे ही है,
Tomorrow is only Sunday.
तुम्हारा ही संडे ओनली, मैंने कल ही पढ़ाई की,
I studied only tomorrow.
आई स्टडीड एस्टरडे ओनली, या आपको अगर टुमारो बोलना है तो टुमारो ओनली। मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ,
I go to school.
मैं मॉर्निंग में स्कूल जाती हूँ,
I go to school in morning.
मैं मॉर्निंग में 7 बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ,
I go to school in morning at 7 o'clock.
मैं कभी कभी 7 बजे सुबह नहीं जाती,
I don't go at morning in 7 o'clock.
मैं कभी कभी लेट होती हूँ,
I late sometime.
आई गेट लेट समटाइम्स। बारिश हो रही है,
It's raining.
बारिश हो रही थी,
It was raining.
बारिश होती है,
It rains.
इट रेन्स, बारिश होगी,
It will be rain.
इट विल रेन, शायद बारिश होगी,
May rain.
इट मे रेन, ओके। सो मैं मार्केट में हूँ,
I am in market.
वे मार्केट में थे,
They was in market.
मैंने आइसक्रीम खाया है,
I ate ice cream.
मैंने कल पिज़्ज़ा खाया,
I ate pizza yesterday.
मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाती हूँ,
I ate pizza.
मुझे पिज़्ज़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता,
I don't like pizza.
मैं दूसरों को मदद करती हूँ,
I help others.
मैं मेरी सिस्टर को मदद करती हूँ,
I help my sisters.
मैं कभी कभी कपड़े धोती हूँ,
I wash clothes sometimes.
समटाइम्स आई वॉश क्लोथ्स, मुझे पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है,
I like study.
मुझे बोलना अच्छा लगता है,
I like talk.
उसको आने दो,
Let him come.
मुझे पढ़ाई करने दो,
Let me study.
मैं सोमवार को आऊँगी,
I will come on Monday.
आई विल कम ऑन मंडे। सो संजना, थैंक यू, यू कैन गो नाउ। नेक्स्ट, सो हाउ आर यू,
I am fine.
व्हाट हैव यू ईटन,
Chicken.
that is why I called him, because I knew that he is going to make some comedy here, okay। So what is your name?
My name is Chetan Sanjay Nikam.
His name is Chetan Sanjay Nikam. Where do you live?
I'm living in Ghansoli.
I live in Ghansoli. Where do you stay?
I am staying in class.
Arey, I said, where do you stay?
He's booked of parental.
So, Sanchit, who are you?
I am a Chetan.
ये बोल रहा है मैं एक चेतन हूँ। So where is other Chetan? छोटा चेतन, very छोटा चेतन. So I want entertainment also in between, so I put his name in between, okay? Because I knew that we want entertainment, we don't want to get bored, so I just wanted this type of Faradadar speaker. So now, yes, so I can sense it now. Okay, so how are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
You are feeling better, but your body is shaking. Why? I'm feeling better. Huh? Are you feeling nervous? Are you nervous now? Yes. Okay. So be relaxed. Okay. Be comfortable. You are Faraday's English speaker, so don't worry. Okay. You will go far away. Okay. So, Chetan. Okay, she will be after Soham. Okay, so Chetan. So Sanchit, how are you? How are you? I'm asking you questions.
I'm fine.
Okay, so if I talk in Marathi, will you be able to speak in English? Okay. मी शाळेला जातो.
I go to school.
मी पनीर खातो.
I eat paneer.
तो शाळेला जातो का? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मी जेवत आहे. आय एम ईटिंग. मोठ्यानं बोल. ठीक आहे. स्पीक लाउडर. मला इंग्लिश येतं.
मला इंग्लिश
आय नो इंग्लिश.
I know.
मी बोलू शकतो.
I can talk.
आय कॅन टॉक. मी अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
I should study.
आय शूड स्टडी. मी अभ्यास केलाच पाहिजे.
I must study.
तो शाळेला जातो.
He is go to school.
ही गोज टू स्कूल.
He goes.
मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to study.
माझ्याजवळ पुस्तक आहे.
I have a book.
तिच्याजवळ पुस्तक नाही.
She have a no book.
शी हॅज नो बुक. वेर इज युअर ब्रदर?
My brother is at home.
व्हॉट इज युअर मदर डुईंग?
My mother is at home.
ओके, नाव यू गो. सो रुद्र, हाउ आर यू? What is your name?
My name is Ajinkya.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Kamsuri.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you?
I am in the class.
What are you doing?
I'm standing.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I am.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Where are you now?
I'm in the class.
Where is your brother?
My brother is at
What is your
class.
father doing?
My father is working.
So how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling comfortable.
You are feeling comfortable. So can you speak with me in English?
Yes. I
Do
can.
you understand English?
Yes, I understand.
Can you convert the sentence in English if I talk it in Marathi or Hindi?
Yes.
Okay. So are you ready for the questions?
Yes, I will. I'm ready.
You are ready. So तो जेवत आहे.
His team.
मी जेवतो.
I eat.
मी पाणी पित नाही.
I don't eat. I don't drink water.
मी शाळेला जात नाही.
I don't go to school.
तो शाळेला जात आहे.
He is going to school.
आम्ही दंगा करत आहे.
We are noise. We are
मेकिंग नॉईज. मम्मी जेवण बनवत आहे.
Mother is cooking.
मी क्रिकेट खेळत आहे.
I am playing cricket.
तो अभ्यास करतो.
He studying.
ती अभ्यास नाही करत.
She doesn't study.
ती जेवली.
She cooks. She eat.
शी एट. तो नाही जेवला.
He doesn't eat.
शी तो नाही जेवला. ही डिड नॉट eat. तू शाळेला जातो का?
Do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास करतो का?
Do you study?
मी बोलत नाही.
I don't talk.
मला इंग्लिश समजतं.
I understand English.
मी लोकांना मदत करतो.
I help to people.
मी खोटं नाही बोलत.
I don't lie.
त्याने काम केलं पाहिजे.
He should work.
मला काम करावं लागतं.
I have to work.
मला काम करावं लागलं.
I had to work.
तुला उद्या लवकर यावं लागेल.
You will come earlier to tomorrow.
यू विल हॅव टू कम अर्ली टुमारो. तो कसा आहे?
How is it?
मी तिकडे होतो.
I was there.
पाऊस पडत आहे.
It is raining.
पाऊस पडतो.
It's raining.
इट रेन्स.
It rains.
पाऊस पडेल.
It will be rain.
इट विल रेन. ओके. सो अजिंक्य, थँक यू. यू कॅन गो नाव. सो नाईस ट्राय बाय अजिंक्य. सो नाव ही छोटा अजिंक्य. स्टँड हियर. Come closer. Look here and speak. Okay. So, what is your name?
My name is Rudra Ankush Lamkani.
Where do you stay?
I stay Gansoli.
Do you go to school?
I go to school.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Nobody will talk. Just pay attention. Okay. Don't make noise. So, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
मी जेवतो.
I eat.
मी जेवत नाही.
I don't eat.
मला आईस्क्रीम आवडतं.
I like ice cream.
तिला आईस्क्रीम नाही आवडत.
She don't like ice cream.
शी डझंट लाईक आईस्क्रीम.
Yes.
ते चालत आहेत.
They walk.
दे आर वॉकिंग.
They are walking.
मी पळत आहे.
I walking. I running. I am running.
मी पळत आहे.
I am running.
मी जेवत आहे.
I am eating.
आय एम मीटिंग. मी मार्केटला जातो.
I am going to market.
मी इंग्लिश बोलतो.
I talk English.
मला इंग्लिश समजतं.
I understand English.
मी अभ्यास करतो.
I study.
मी मम्मीला मदत करतो.
I help my mother.
आय हेल्प माय मदर. मला बोलायला आवडतं.
I talk.
आय लाईक
talk.
आय लाईक टॉकिंग.
Yes.
मला चालायला आवडतं.
I like walk.
तू शाळेला जातो का?
Who is going to school?
डू यू गो टू स्कूल?
Do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास करतो का?
Do you study?
तू काम करतो का?
Do you work?
तू प्रार्थना करतो का?
Do you
डू यू प्रे?
do you pray?
सो थँक यू रुद्र.
Thank you.
ओके. नाईस ट्राय. ए वाय आर यू स्टँडिंग? प्रतीक, रुद्र. सो प्रतीक.
Yes.
Yes? I thought you will say no. Because last time when I was shooting his video, he was saying no. Okay, no to camera. No sir, I don't know what to say. Okay, so when did you study Faradadar speaking English? So how are you? Stand here. So where are you?
I am in class.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you work?
Yes, I work.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study at
Do
home.
you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Where do you stay?
I am staying in school.
I stay in Ghansoli. तू शाळेला जातो का?
Yes. Yes, I go to school.
So I am going to ask you some questions in Marathi. Okay. Now you have to answer me in Hindi. So you will answer me in English only. Okay. मी शाळेला जातो. I go to school. मी अभ्यास करतो. I study. मी लोकांना मदत करतो. I help. लोकांना अस बोलतात. I help people. मी मित्राला मदत करतो. I help my friend. मी अभ्यास करतो. मला आईस्क्रीम आवडते. मी इंग्लिश बोलतो. मी जेवत आहे. हां आय एम ईटिंग. मी जेवत आहे. ओके. तो पळत आहे. ते बोलत आहेत. हां दे आर टॉकिंग. यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग. ओके. सो यू हॅव टू स्टडी मोर so that you will be able to answer me. So you can go now.
Sir, ask him, is he a book or directly?
So how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you? Hey, don't make noise. Don't make noise. So where do you stay?
I stay in Minnesota.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling better.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Do you go to DMart?
Yes, I go to the market.
Do you know where is DMart?
Yes. Yes, I know it. Where is the market?
Okay, so do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you study English at home?
Yes, I study English at home.
Do you understand all the English now?
Yes,
Do you know all the grammar? Yes, I know. If you want to say yes, then. So I'm going to ask you some questions. मी जेवत आहे. Loudly.
I am eating.
तो पळत आहे.
He is running.
ते बोलत आहेत.
They are talking.
ती अभ्यास करत आहे.
He is studying.
आई जेवण बनवत आहे.
Mother was.
आई जेवण बनवत आहे.
Mother is cooking.
मदर इज कुकिंग. मी अभ्यास करतो.
I do study.
आय डू स्टडी. तो अभ्यास करत नाही.
He does not study.
तो शाळेला गेला.
He went to school.
तिने अभ्यास नाही केला. तिने अभ्यास नाही केला.
She did not study.
तू काम केलं पाहिजे.
You should work.
तू अभ्यास केलाच पाहिजे.
You must study.
मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to study.
मला बोलू द्या.
Let me talk.
मी उद्या लवकर येईन.
I will come early.
टुमारो. मी उत्तर देईन. Everybody pay attention here because you are going to speak.
I don't know.
Okay, so thank you Som.
Sir, he's a book of that.
Okay, so Sahil, how are you?
I am fine.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Minnesota.
Where do you live?
I live in Minnesota.
Hey, why are you talking? I'm shooting video here. I'm not able to listen his voice. Okay, so please be quiet. So what is the date today?
Today is Sunday.
Today is
Saturday.
Saturday. What is the date tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday.
So, do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you help your mother? Arey, why are you stepping on this?
Yes, I help my mother.
Arey, again you are stepping on this. Hey, why are you standing here? I have told you, no? Why are you standing here? So, do you study English?
Yes, I study.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
So, do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study.
Do you help your brother?
Yes, I help my brother.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help.
Do you have sister?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So, do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you go to exercise?
Yes, I go to exercise.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, I travel by bus.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I travel by bus.
So, Sahil, where is your mummy?
My mother is at home.
Okay, what is she doing?
She's cooking.
Okay, so Sahil, you can go now. Next one.
Sir, my mister.
Wait, I will be asking you. Just I want to. How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you?
I am.
Okay. How are you feeling?
I am feeling nice.
Where is your mother?
My mother is at his.
Where is your father?
My father is office. My father is office.
So, do you understand English?
Yes, I am understand.
So, do you play cricket?
Yes, I am.
So, do you go to school?
Yes, I am going to school.
Do you get up early in the morning?
Yes.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I am studying.
Do you have sister?
No, I
No, I don't have. Do you have brother? No, I don't have. So now I am going to say some sentences in Marathi.
yes.
Okay, you will be converting those sentences in English. मी जेवत आहे,
I am eating.
तो पळत आहे.
He is running.
why are you talking? मी अभ्यास करतो.
I am studying.
I am study.
I am in study.
I study. मला आईस्क्रीम आवडतं.
I like to eat.
मला कार पाहिजे. हां, मला कार पाहिजे. आय वॉन्ट कार. माझ्याजवळ पुस्तक आहे. You are not studying, that means, okay? You have to study. Next time, just make preparations and then you come, okay? Go. Just couple of questions I will be asking you, then I will call you, okay? No. I am going to ask him some question because I left. I did not ask him question. That is why I am just taking him in. So, I did not ask him questions in first video. So, I called him again. So, Sahil, I am going to ask you some questions in Marathi. Okay? मी जेवत आहे.
I am eating.
मी चालत आहे.
I am walking.
मी अभ्यास करत आहे.
I am studying.
मी शाळेला जातो.
I go to school.
मी शाळेला जात आहे.
I am going to school.
तू अभ्यास करतो का?
Do you study?
मला जेवण बनवावं लागतं.
I have to cook.
मम्मीला कपडे धुवावे लागतात.
Mother have washing clothes.
मदर हॅज टू वॉश क्लोथ्स. मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to study.
मला बोलू द्या.
Let me talk.
तिला जाऊ द्या.
let him.
Let her.
Let her go.
मला आईस्क्रीम पाहिजे.
I want ice cream.
तिला कार पाहिजे.
She want car.
आज सोमवार आहे.
Today is Monday.
उद्या बुधवार आहे.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
मी घरी आहे.
I'm in at.
आय एम ॲट होम. पप्पा ऑफिसमध्ये आहेत.
Father is at office.
मी अभ्यास करत आहे.
I also.
ओके गो नाव. सो प्रणीता, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine.
वेर इज युअर सिस्टर?
My sister is at home.
डज शी स्टडी ॲट होम?
Yes.
If she is not studying, then you tell me, okay? If she is not studying, no, just let me know that. Then I can speak with her that why she is not studying, okay? So, do you speak English at home?
Yes, I speak.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So, speak loudly, okay?
Okay.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay.
In which standard you are now?
I'm in 9th standard.
So, I am going to ask you some questions, okay? I will be asking you questions in Marathi. So, let's start. मी घरी आहे.
I'm at home.
ती घरी आहे.
He is at home.
ती घरी आहे.
She is at home.
मी इंग्लिश बोलते.
I talk English.
मला इंग्लिश माहीत आहे.
I know English.
मला इंग्लिश माहीत होतं.
I was know English.
आय न्यू इंग्लिश. तो शाळेला जातो.
He go to school.
तो शाळेला जातो.
He goes to school.
तो शाळेला गेला.
He went to school.
ही वेंट टू स्कूल. मी जेवलो नाही.
I don't eat.
मी जेवलो नाही.
I did not eat.
तो गेला नाही.
He did not go. Went.
तू अभ्यास करतो का?
Do you study?
तू कसं बोलतो?
How do you talk?
तू कधी जातो?
How do you go?
नाव यू टेल मी फ्रँकली, हाऊ आर यू फीलिंग?
I feel nervous.
You are feeling nervous. Why? You are understanding English, you are answering also. Why are you feeling like this? Okay. You know all the English, you know all the tenses and all the sentence structuring, but you are just hesitating to answer it. Okay. You know all the rules and of the grammars and why then you are facing hesitation. Okay. You should not feel like that. Okay. So when you are standing in front of camera, just be comfortable. Okay. सो त्याने अभ्यास केलाच पाहिजे.
He must study.
आपण इतरांचा आदर केला पाहिजे.
We respect.
वी शूड रिस्पेक्ट अदर. मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to study.
माझ्याजवळ पैसे नव्हते.
I had no money.
माझ्याजवळ कमी पैसे आहेत.
I have
ए व्हाय आर यू टॉकिंग?
some money.
माझ्याकडे सुट्टे पैसे नाहीत.
I have no change.
आय हॅव नो चेंज. मी अभ्यास करतो.
I study.
तिने अभ्यास केला.
He study.
शी स्टडीड. मी उद्या येईन.
I will come.
मी अभ्यास करीन.
I will study.
ती आलेली आहे. ती आलेली आहे. ती आलेली आहे.
She has come.
तो गेलेला आहे.
He has gone.
ओके. सो प्रणीता, थँक यू.
Welcome.
यू कॅन गो नाव. हू इज नेक्स्ट?
Yes.
Who is next? Who is next?
सर पहिला हे नंतर मी ना
I have written your names. Okay. So, Bhumi, how are you?
आय फाईन
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
आय विल क्लास
Okay, you are in class. Where do you live?
आय लिव्ह इन गंसली
Do you go to market?
येस आय गो टू मार्केट
Do you play with your friend?
येस आय प्ले विथ फ्रेंड्स
Do you help your mother?
येस आय हेल्प येस माय मदर
Do you help your brother?
येस आय हेल्प माय
Do you understand English?
येस आय अंडरस्टँड इंग्लिश
Do you know how to talk?
येस
Do you speak English?
येस
Do you study?
येस आय
So now I am going to ask you some questions, basic questions, okay? You just transfer it in English. Are you ready?
येस
She is saying yes. Okay, so Bhumi, look here. They face the camera, okay? If you don't know, just simply say, I don't know, sir. Okay. So I'll ask you next question. No issue. Okay. So मी अभ्यास करते.
आय स्टडी
मी अभ्यास नाही करत.
आय डोंट स्टडी
मी खोटं नाही बोलत.
आय डोंट लाईक
Hey, why are you talking?
आय डोंट लाईक
I don't like. Speak loudly, okay? Hey, why are you? Arey, how many times I told you not to sit here? Huh? So, hey, don't talk, don't talk. Bhumi is answering my questions, okay? So don't talk. So, मी जेवत आहे.
आय
I am eating. मी पळत आहे. ते बोलत आहेत. They are talking. Hey, what are you doing this, huh? So, मी अभ्यास करतो.
आय स्टडी
मी घरी काम करतो.
आय वर्क
I work at home. आई घरी आहे.
मदर इज ॲट होम
वडील ऑफिसमध्ये आहेत.
फादर इज इन ऑफिस
भाऊ स्कूलमध्ये आहे.
ब्रदर इज इन स्कूल
मी 7वीमध्ये आहे.
आय स्टडी इन सेवन
I study in 7th standard. माझ्याजवळ पैसे नाहीत.
आय डोंट हॅव मनी
You don't have money. माझ्याजवळ पैसे होते.
आय हॅड अ मनी
मी श्रीमंत आहे.
आय
मी गरीब नाही.
आय डोंट
I am not poor. Okay, so Bhumi, thank you. You can go now. Hey, again you are standing here. Why are you standing here? Hey, why are you standing here? So, hey, you are also in camera. You are here in camera. So it will be very interesting. Just watch the video how Soham is performing.
So me dancing
Okay. So Samar, how are you?
I am fine
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling better
You are feeling better. So do you understand English?
yes I understand English
Do you help your mother?
yes I help my mother
Do you go to school?
yes I go to school
Do you work?
yes I work
Do you like ice cream?
yes I like ice cream
Do you go to DMart?
yes I go to the mart
Where is your mother?
my mother is at home
You are in 7th standard.
yes
Are you in 7th standard?
yes I am
You are in. Yes, I am in 7th standard. Do you understand English?
yes I understand English
So do you study English at home? डू यू हेल्प युअर सिस्टर?
Yes, I help you. I help my sister.
ओके. सो डज युअर सिस्टर गो टू स्कूल? डज युअर सिस्टर गो टू स्कूल? येस, माय सिस्टर गोज टू स्कूल.
Yes, my sister.
ओके. सो आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन्स. ओके. मी अभ्यास करतो.
I am studying.
मी अभ्यास करत नाही.
I am not studying.
आय डोंट स्टडी. मी जेवत आहे.
I am eating.
तो पळत आहे.
He is running.
ते बोलत आहेत.
They are talking.
तो जेवत नाही.
He does not eat.
ही डज नॉट ईट. तो शाळेला जातो.
He go to school.
ही गोज टू स्कूल.
He goes to school.
तो शाळेला गेला.
He gone to school.
ही हॅज गॉन टू स्कूल या ही वेंट टू स्कूल. ओके. त्याने अभ्यास नाही केला.
They are.
ही डिड नॉट स्टडी. तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
तू
तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे. तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
I have to study.
यू शूड स्टडी. मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to work. I have to study.
आय हॅव टू स्टडी. ओके. सो समर, थँक्यू.
सर अश्विन
नो. सो ए साहिल, वाय आर यू सिटिंग देअर? यू कम हियर. सो what is your name? What is your name again?
My name is Salisa Duggar.
Okay. Where do you stay? Hey, why are you talking? Hey, Rutvik. What are you doing, huh?
Sir, आपको स्कूल भेजना क्यों?
इथे बस. Sit here. Sit here. बस. Hey, what are you doing this? So, where do you stay?
I stay in Gunsar.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
British. I am in school.
Where is your mother?
My mother is at home.
Where is your father?
My father is at home.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have.
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have. brother.
Okay, so thank you, Aliza. You can go now. Hey, Ashwin,
coming to order.
clap for him because. Okay. So Ashwin, so how are you, Pratik? So you have to answer. I am Pratik, sir.
Sir, Ashwin, sir.
You have to answer it. No, you are not answering it. Look here. Face the camera. Where are you looking? Huh? So Ashwin, how are you?
I am fine.
Where are you?
I am in tuition.
Okay. What is the day today?
Sunday.
He doesn't know what is the day today.
Saturday.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. What is the day tomorrow?
Sunday.
Tomorrow is.
Sunday.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
So do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you know how to speak?
Yes.
Do you understand subject, verb, object?
Yes.
Okay. So do you study English at home?
Yes.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help. Yes, I help mother.
So do you help your father?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you have sister?
No, I have no sister.
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have brother.
Okay. So I am going to ask you some questions. Okay. मी अभ्यास करतो.
I am studying.
मी अभ्यास करत आहे.
I am studying.
He's a phenomenal student.
सो मी कुठे आहे ए वेट वेट लिसन टू हिज आन्सर्स
Where I am.
वेर एम आय तो कुठे आहे
Where is he?
तू शाळेला जातो का
Do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास करतो का
Do you study?
तो अभ्यास नाही करत ए डोंट मेक नॉईज
He does not study.
मी शाळेला गेलो
I go to school.
आय वेंट टू
I
स्कूल
went to school.
ए वाय व्हॉट आर यू डुईंग त्याने अभ्यास नाही केला
He does not study.
ही डिड नॉट स्टडी
Did not study.
मला इंग्लिश माहीत आहे
I know English.
माझ्याजवळ कार आहे
I have car.
माझ्याजवळ पैसे नाहीत
I have no money.
मी अभ्यास करीन
Kareem. I study.
आय स्टडी मी अभ्यास करीन ए ए वाय आर यू स्टँडिंग हिअर आय विल स्टडी
I will study.
तो कुठे आहे
Where is he?
तो कसा आहे
To. How are you? How?
और
Sir, he is right because he is a foreigner and English speaker.
How are you?
हाउ आर ही
This is writing for itinerary.
अरे अश्विन आई एम आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस ओके
So,
ए व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दिस सो Ashwin, you have to study, okay? So you will be able to answer. So thank you everyone.
thank you.